Okay, now let's prepare a budget based on the latest schedule. So it's the same thing like here, but we're going to be using, instead of ES, we'll be using LS. Okay, once again. So we have an if, okay, and we have two conditions to test. So we have an and we check whether that number, okay, and it should be from that row always. So I21, if that number is greater than or equal to the latest start time, and that should come from column D, plus 1 for the time bucket instead of the starting instant. That's your first condition. And the second condition is, again, we are going to test the same week number, and that should come from same row, and that is greater than or equal to, I'm sorry, less than or equal to, so that week number is less than or equal to the finish time. The finish time bucket. Finish time bucket will be that, again, $D7 plus the duration, that should be $E7. Okay, so those are the two conditions, and if those conditions are true, then $G7, otherwise 0. Okay, and now we copy. All right, so this is based on the latest times. So weekly need is the same as there. Okay, let's put a border there. And total is sum of that, okay, to that, except that the beginning number should be absolute referenced. All right, so then it'll do us, that'll give us a cumulative value. Okay. Okay. So now we can plot the total till week number. Okay. Okay. So that one. All right. So let's do a line plot, right? And then we add the second, the latest cumulative. Okay. All right, so this will be cumulative budget. And let's access title will be week. Okay, so we don't need that title. Let's have legend Okay, and series name will be earliest need, and let's call that latest need. Okay, and let's put it there so you'll have more space for the line. Okay, so this is the latest need, and the earliest need looks like I have it backwards. This is 6. No. So in any given week, then your funds need would be cumulative funds need will be somewhere between these two. And this will give us a good idea as to how much in terms of financial planning this chart would be very helpful.